Hello, Yatri. So here I'm go through all the top-notch AI models, which is running on the highest billions of parameters, just like GPT-OSS, which is recently launched by OpenAI, which is running on the 120 billion parameters. Just like you can see the Llama model, Qwen model, Llama 3.1 on 405 billion parameters, right? And just like Deepseek. So I installed all the models and I running perfectly fine in my own Azure virtual machine. And for that you need a very high requirement on your storage, on your RAM, on your computing power, everything. So I'm quickly go through how it looks like, how you can do it, what is the minimum requirement, and is it worth it if you are currently running for the testing purpose. Everything I'm going to cover it now. So let's quickly go to into my Azure virtual machines. So here you can see I have total 377 GB RAM right now, and currently it use total 144 GB plus 5 GB. Around 150 GB RAM is currently used and 230 GB RAM is currently free. And as you can see here, let's say in the storage section. So I have a 2.7 TB storage and currently it's used the 857 GB storage and free RAM. Oh, sorry, free storage is 1.9 TB. Fine. So right now, as you can see, this all models are currently installed, and this is the size of each model, right? So you can just go through it once. You need minimum storage of the requirement to install all the models. Fine. Let's say you want to install in your virtual machine just like me. You need a minimum RAM, as you can see the list out here. 64 GB RAM, for Deepseek-R1, which is running on 70 billion parameters. And for 671 billion parameters, you need a 256 GB plus RAM, right? So you can just go to it once. I will give you this documentation in the description. But here is the case. So I want to run this 671 billion parameter model on my virtual machine, but I can't able to run. Why? You can see. So let me go into the new tab, type Ollama run. Let me copy the name of the model. Let's copy it and paste it here. And you can see I face the error. This is needed 397.5 GB RAM, but I have just only 372 GB RAM right now. So that's why I can't able to run this model in my current Azure virtual machine. But when you can go through it into the GPT-OSS 120 billion parameters. So I run it Ollama run GPT-OSS colon 120 billion parameters. So let's say I'm entering the height. So you can see the model is going to think and model is giving you the response within your terminal, right? So till yet I will go through it once how I set up this virtual machine. So let me go into the browser, and here you can see inside the models, first GPT-OSS, which is trending now. Then Deepseek-R1, then Gamma, then Qwen, and then Llama. Right? Let's say I want to set up this GPT-OSS. So I click here, and as you can see, this is the latest one. This is a 20 billion parameters, which is required minimum 14 GB storage. And this you need a 65 GB storage. Right? So I set up this 120 billion parameters. So you have to just copy this command and paste it out in your terminal. So before that, you need to take care about some requirement. So you need to install the Ollama in your system if you are using the Ubuntu, right? As if you are using the Windows, what you can do, you need to just click on the download button and go into the Windows and download it. Fine. For the Linux, you have this command, right? After that, you need to just pull this model and run it simply. So as you can see, this is still running right now. Let me close this one and run it again. Let's Ollama run. Fine. So let's wait for the loading, right? Till yet, let's go into the Microsoft Azure. So as you can see, this is current my virtual machine, which is highly throughout on specific latency. Okay, low latency. And here you can see I have the 48 core per CPU. And nextly, as you can see here, 384 GB RAM. And then you can go through the cost. Okay, this is a monthly cost, which you can see here, 2 lakh plus. right? So this is how much you need the storage and the configuration if you want to run all the models in a very smooth manner. As you can go through it on very different models, which is cost you less, at least around 50 to 1 lakh, right? But if you have any more questions to run for your production level, you can reach out to me via LinkedIn or via TopMat. You can schedule a call. As I'm quickly go through it once, which storage I'm currently using, right? So hope you got it. Let's say I want to use the NVIDIA, right? So for that, I need to request it. So currently, I can't able to use the NVIDIA based model, right? If you have the access, that would be highly recommend to use the NVIDIA based model. Okay, GPU based virtual machine, correct? So yeah, but still, if you are able to access of this all the models, if you have money, you can go through it once. As you can apply for the Microsoft startups where you can get access of this all the virtual machines, right? So yeah, fine. Let's go into the VS Code. So yeah, now let me type what is Azure. Fine. So here you can see Ollama is currently going to think, and as you can see, the user ask about the what is Azure, right? So it's gonna be think first, and then based on the thinking, GPT is giving you the answer, right? So just wait for the all the answer, and you can see how much in depth our model is going to give you the answer. That is the plus point. Let me go into the GPT, and here if I type what is Azure, right, and hit enter. Now here you can see GPT is this is a normal model, okay, GPT 5, and right now this is not any premium. This is not a very pro, or this is not enterprise subscription. This is a free subscription which is I can use. So you can see when I type what is Azure, GPT is giving me only very basic information about Azure, right? As you can see, but not in very in depth. But here you can see, right? First, it's covered what is Azure, right, in a one sentence. Then it cover all the blocks about categories, services, and use case. Okay, compute services, storage services, database services, right? And then you can see the what is organization, and then you can see the typical scenarios also as per the services. Then you can see the how you can start with high level steps. Okay, it's not a very basic. You get to know everything about Azure. Then you can see the quick glossary. Then you can see the where actually you can use it, right? Which certification you need, how to access this all the learning materials, right? So yeah, you can see in the one single prompt how much in depth and knowledgeable base output which I got from GPT-OSS, which is trained on the 120 billion parameters. If you are using the 20 billion parameters, then it would be you know taking a much time or taking a less analysis based content, right? So this how much capable the models if you can install it in your own system, right? But you need a highly storage. So not recommend to get as at is what I have virtual machine which is running on the 300 plus GB RAM and 2 GB storage. No need to do anything, right? Try to install basic models, right? I'm just giving you the upper knowledge how much capable of the models which is trained on the 100 plus billion parameters, right? Also you can if you have any other specific questions, any specific on it, just comment down. I will cover it down in the next video. As if you have anything, right, try to reach out, try to explore, try to install and tell it. It's simple if you are not requirement. So right now, if you have the Mac, right, you can use this models also, M4 Pro or maybe M4 Pro Max, right? So currently this is the Linux virtual machine as you can see, as I shown you. So let me go into the virtual machine. So you can see this is a virtual machine which is I'm running right now. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much about the all the models, right, which is trained on the very highly billion parameters, correct? So let's go into the last scenario. Let's go into the Ollama, into the models and GPT-OSS, and let's go into the 120 billion parameters. And here you can see the comparison. Okay, so Let me check. Yeah, here you can see the OpenAI O4 mini model benchmark, and this is for GPT 20 billion, and this is for 120 billion, which is I'm running, right? So you can compare this all the data with OpenAI O4 mini and OpenAI O3. So it's a nearly similar, right? And in terms of humanity, it more than better than O4 mini, right? So yeah, you don't need to pay anything, but you need to pay for your virtual machine. Correct. So yeah, as of now, that's it from my side. And hope you get something unique. Hope you get, in front of your eyes how it looks like the 120 billion parameters when you are going to ask any question. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And I know this model is not running in my own system, 671 billion parameters. Okay. But 70 billion parameters, which is running perfectly fine. So yeah, then see you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe to the Yatri Cloud to get more high production level scenarios and get to know about how it works. And in depth, if you want, I will go through it via top mat, okay, on one to one if you wish. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.